have been wanting to try one of these for a really long time. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this silicone, yes, silicone, mini muffin pan with a frame. I got this for Christmas, and like I said, I've been wanting to try this for a really long time. I like the silicone baking sheets because, you know, you can pop things out of them. Things don't normally stick to it. This one, though, has the framework on the outside of it. So you notice, I can pick it up with one hand, and it doesn't flop around like all my other silicone pans, which are going to be replaced. You can see here it has a cute little design. It's like all sparkly in here. I just washed it. I'm going to make some mini cornbread muffins. I'm going to put it in here and cook them and show you guys just how simple this is to use. It's still a little warm. No way. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. It popped right out. And you can see that it's sticky on the bottom. Let's try it one more time. Pops right out. Clean as can be. It's still steamy too. That is really cool. I love that it has the metal on the edges, and I don't have to set it on top of a pan or anything. I can just put it in my oven because it's got this nice hard edge around the outside of it. This is awesome. I love the color. Super fun. If you're looking for a great silicone muffin pan, highly, highly, highly recommend this.